Hello, guess who and guess what? Well, it's me, Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I hold classes in my home, so if you live in the area, I'd love for you to come over and join me for a class sometime. But today, let's look at the what. Here is the card we're going to do today. Isn't that gorgeous? We're using several pretty papers for this, but let me show you the fold. It opens like this. And this is called a Dutch door fold. Now, I googled Dutch door right before I started this video because I really wanted to see what the purpose or why they're called Dutch door. A Dutch door is a door that actually has two pieces, and the purpose is so you can just open the top if the delivery man comes, or if you want to just get some fresh air in your house, you can open the top and keep the bottom closed. So that's where the concept of a Dutch door came from. It's a door with two sections. So here's our front, here's the inside, and I'm going to show you how I did this part here. So let's get started. First of all, I used Pool Party for my base, and it is 5.5 by 8.5, and I scored it 4 1/4. Now, I'm going to turn this over. I came down, let's do it this way. I came down 2 3/4 inches, and then you cut across to the center score line. So down 2 3/4, and then you just cut in. And you can do it with your scissors, or you could do it on your cutter. I like to use my cutter because I don't cut real straight with scissors. I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed and I only eat and write left-handed, so I really struggle with whether I'm supposed to do something with my right hand or my left hand. But anyway, I like to use my cutter. So 2 3/4 down and cut over to the center. Now you notice on the sample that top part is embossed. Now, how did I do that and not the whole thing? So the best way to do this is fold the bottom under, take your embossing folder, and the one I used is all in a row, and it's 2 clear plates. And you're going to put the part that's sticking out here in your embossing folder like that. And then you just run it through. And it goes through just fine. Make sure you use 2 clear plates. And then when you bring it out, just the top part's embossed. So that's how you get just the top part embossed. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's look at some more pieces. All right, this would be glued down. I think I've got one I've already done, yes. All right, so here's one I've already glued it down, embossed it. And this piece on the front is from a paper pack called Mixed Up Patterns. Mixed Up Patterns. And I used this piece in it, and this piece is 4 by 2.5, and you just glue it right there on the front. Now this other basic white piece I have that is also 4 by 2.5, and it's our inside piece. It's this one right here, and I'll go ahead and show what I stamped here. I used gray granite to stamp the flower, and I used Coastal Cabana because Pool Party was a little too light to stamp this this greeting and this greeting. And I colored my flower with, this is dark shy shamrock for the leaves. The petals are dark lemon lolly, and the center is light petal pink. Now that flower is from Charming Day, and I googled this today, or I looked this up on our Stampin' Up site today, and this stamp set's not showing anymore. But the dies are beautiful, so I guess this one is gone. But my saying on the front is the Celebrate from Banner Sayings, and this is a new one, and you notice the new packaging. This was the old packaging. This is our new packaging now, and there's the little stamp set down there. So, and they're all the new ones are now photopolymer clear. Okay, so that's what we did to the inside. Now let's look at some more pieces here. First, let's look at this beautiful piece back here in the back. This die that's used to cut this silver piece is from a set called Beautifully Celebrated, and I really like it because it's got different layers. Open it up so you can see. So see here are all the layers, and it also has these nice little corner pieces and these little pieces in here. So this is a really, really nice set. I think you would enjoy it. It's Beautifully Celebrated, and these are the dies. I cut this one out of this paper right here that is actually on Last Chance list, and it's called Flower Garden Fulls. And in this pack there are 3 different colors. Is that right? 3? Yes, Cloud Cover, Pretty in Pink, Strawberry Slush. And I used, and also 2 designs, one with little flowers and one with little squares and diagonals in it. And I used the one, this color, that had the little flowers on it. So I just cut that out of that. And the flowers and all are from this pack of paper. And it's called Pastel Shimmer. And it's still current. And it has some really pretty colors. It's got, I think that one's called Bubble Bath, Lemon Lolly, and Pool Party. And I cut the flower out of the Lemon Lolly. And then and that's this die. And these dies are all from Fragrant Layers. Say that 3 times. And even the sentiment die is from this one. And it's cut like that, and I stamped the sentiment from the banner sayings. And that's also stamped in Shy Shamrock. And then I cut the 3 leaves. Got 3 leaves here. Let me move this. And there are 3 different leaf dies. And those are cut out of Pool Party. Is that right? Pool Party. Let me see. No, I cut these out of Coastal Cabana. I wanted them a little bit darker than the background. So these are Coastal Cabana. And then the flowers, you can cut 7 with 1 die, but I just cut 6 to use on mine. And that's from this pretty paper, this Pool Party, and this shimmery paper. And those are all the pieces that I used to layer that. Let me get this out of the way. So you can see where I just put the flower down, and then I started filling the centers with these little frosted iridescent dots. And you notice they kind of sink, so you might have to put a dimensional there to pull them up if you don't want them that deep. And just scattered them around, put one here. So there's our card. How about that? Pretty quick, pretty easy. I think it's a very pretty card, and I love this all in a row embossing folder here. So please like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. If you'd like to join a team, I'd love for you to be on my team. So until next time, happy crafting.